Hello, this is Sunrise Daily TV, your #1 news and entertainment channel. My name is Prince Chimeze Richards, the CEO of Sunrise Daily TV and Sunrise Youth Entrepreneur Initiative, LTD GT. Please make Sunrise Daily TV your #1 news channel.
Yo, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your favorite boy, TC Virus, aka Oga Director. Guys, I want you to subscribe to Sunrise Daily TV. Sunrise Daily TV.
Now beg at the beggar. Subscribe for more updates.
Hello, dear viewers. You're welcome to today's episode on Sunrise Daily TV. I am your host, Chini Njemanzi. Angry governor orders public beating of Islamic cleric. Uwazuruike hits Southeast governors, senators for politicizing Kanu's possible release. Simon Ekpa announces date for Biafra independence, asks Igbo people to do this. Suspected ritualist arrested while attempting to kill 10-year-old boy lured into his room in Kwara State. Hamas terrorists clear way for possible ceasefire in Gaza after dropping key demand. Reports just reaching us. Explosion has killed 11 members of the Joint Border Patrol at the maritime border area of Bakassi Peninsula this Sunday morning. The Niger State Governor, Mohammed Umaru Bago, has been caught on camera ordering his security detail to assault and deal with an Islamic cleric. It was gathered that the governor gave the order during the 3-day fiddle prayer for the wife of his deputy, Hajia Zainab Yakubu Garba, who died after a brief illness in Mina on Monday. Fidal is a special prayer offered after 3, 7 or 40 days after a Muslim woman died. Sources at the event said the cleric had volunteered to offer prayers during the event, but Bago was infuriated over his request.
Da masallacin angon shi da garin shi ya je ya addu'a ma mawaci. Allah ya ji kanta, ya sa ta huta. Za mu nemi malam daya ina ke mutan gani kai zan mare ka. Gona. Kai malam ne. Slap him first. When? I said slap him, right? Kai malam ne. Go and arrest him. That's serious. Deal with him well. Because she's look at the number cash. Why she not? Ina da suma, ina da madaci. Kai malam ba shi microphone tsaya wurin. Ya zuwa da dole.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين الله لا إله إلا هو الحي القيوم لا تأخذه سنة ولا نوم له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض من ذا الذي يشفع عنده إلا بإذنه يعلم ما بين أيديه وما يلفظ ولا يؤتون بشيء من علمه إلا بما شاء وسع كرسيه السماوات والأرض ولا يؤوده حفظهما ولا العلي العظيم اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد عبدك وحبيبك ونبيك ورسولك الفاتح لما أغلق وحبيبنا وقربنا بكثرة صلاة وطاعة لديه وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم الله في أمور التوكل وفي الأصحاب كصائب توصل محمد وعلي المبعوث وبالعباده وفاطمة زهراء وبالمتداهل اللهم بالحق فاطمة.
In the video, the governor who was addressing sympathizers when the yet to be identified man came forward, the governor became furious. He then ordered the security personnel to clamp down on him. He subsequently passed the microphone to another cleric to offer the prayers. The governor, it was learned, also ordered the arrest of another yet to be identified cleric. It was gathered from aides that Bagbo allegedly had a penchant for physical assault and hurling insults at his aides, supporters, and anybody whom he felt offended with. Simeon Ekpa, Finland-based Prime Minister of the Biafra Republic, the government in exile, has made a surprising announcement regarding the declaration of Biafra's independence. In a post on X, Simon Ekpa revealed the planned date for his significant event and introduced a new hashtag to raise this awareness. To generate maximum awareness and support, Ekpa encourages everyone to use the hashtag Biafra Mass Exodus 2024. Leader of Biafra Independence Movement, Chief Uwazuruike, has faulted how Southeast governors and senators have been politicizing possible release of detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Ekpa, Nnamdi Kanu. Uwazuruike, who is the founder of Movement for the Actualization of Sovereign State of Biafra, MASO, said even President Bola Ahmed Tinubu does not have the absolute powers to order Kanu's immediate release without seeking advice from the National Security Advisor. In a statement by the group's Director of Information, Mazi Chris Imocha, Uwazuruike said, "It was not the Attorney General of the Federation, who is a government lawyer, or the President, who is the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, is holding Kanu, but the security chiefs." Rather than meet the service chiefs, including the Inspector General of Police, Chief of Naval Staff, Chief of Air Staff, and Chief of Defense Staff, Uwazuruike faulted the approach being taken by the governors and senators from the zone. He advised the governors from the region to meet the NSA with convincing security reports on why Kanu should be free. He stated that rather than meeting the NSA, who usually advises the president based on available security reports, the governors and senators were busy hobnobbing in Abuja, taking photographs and claiming to be working for his possible release without following the proper procedures. The Kwara State Police Command has arrested a suspected ritualist during an attempt to kill a 10-year-old boy. The command said it received a distress call about the attempted culpable homicide and subsequently arrested as a suspected ritualist. A statement by DSP Tom Ejire Adeyemi, the spokesperson for the State Police Command, on Sunday, said according to information received from the police at C Division on the 2nd of July 2024, a report was received from Onidoko Police Post indicating an incident occurred at the Ahab Okefoma area of Ilorin. And now, foreign news. Hamas has reportedly responded to a United States-backed proposal for a phased deal in Gaza that would lead to a ceasefire deal in the Middle East region. The militant group, which controlled Gaza before triggering the war with an October 7 attack on Israel, has reportedly given initial approval of the ceasefire after dropping a key demand that Israel give an upfront commitment for a complete end to the war, a Hamas and an Egyptian official told the Associated Press on Saturday. The apparent compromise could deliver the first pause in fighting since November and set the stage for further talks on ending the devastating 9 months of fighting. But all sides caution that a deal is still not guaranteed. The two officials who spoke on condition of anonymity to discuss ongoing negotiations told the Associated Press that Washington's phased deal would first include a full and complete 6-week ceasefire that would see the release of a number of hostages, including women, older people, and the wounded, in exchange for the release of hundreds of Palestinian prisoners. During the 42 days, Israeli forces would withdraw from densely populated areas of Gaza and allow the return of displaced people to their homes in northern Gaza, the officials said. According to the report, over that period, Hamas, Israel, and mediators would negotiate the terms of the second phase that would see the release of the remaining male hostages, both civilians and soldiers, the officials said. In return, Israel would free additional Palestinian prisoners and detainees. The third phase would include the return of any remaining hostages, including the bodies of the dead, and the start of a base-level reconstruction project. And that's, dear viewers, we have come to the close of today's news. I remain your host, Chini Ujemati. And don't forget that our office is located at number 112 MCC Road, Amawaya, Owerri, Imo State. For your advert placement and event coverage, do well to hit us up on the number on your screen.
Hello, this is Sunrise Daily TV, your number one news and entertainment channel. My name is Prince Chimeze Richards, the CEO of Sunrise Daily TV and Sunrise Youth Entrepreneur Initiative, LTD GT. Please make Sunrise Daily TV your number one news channel.
Yeah, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your favorite boy, TC Virus, aka Director. Guys, I want you to subscribe to Sunrise Daily TV. Sunrise Daily TV.
Now beg at the beggar. Subscribe. Subscribe. Subscribe.